Hi class, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a rundown on the assignment for today. First of all, remember that all of your assignments are due on Saturday by midnight. So you'll have a couple days to work on this one. It shouldn't be too difficult, but it does require a little bit of research, so keep that in mind. And it is on types of bone fractures. So when we left off before school was shut down, we had been talking about bones, and so today we're going to research some types of bone fractures. So please start by reading the document that I posted on Google Classroom about what happens when you break bones, and then I'm going to have you complete the following slides to describe different types of bone fractures. So you are going to directly edit this Google Doc or this Google slide and then turn it in. And then there's video instructions on the next slide, which is what I'm creating as of right now. So it hasn't been posted yet, but it will be right here. So once you are editing this document, what I would like you to do is read at the very top. It says the type of fracture that this slide pertains to, and it says incomplete fractures. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Google and type in incomplete fractures. And then I'm going to say X-ray because I want an X-ray photo. And I'm going to look for a picture, images. All right, let's see if we can find one. This one looks pretty good. So this is an incomplete fracture of what looks like a radius. And that's okay, we didn't learn all of these bones before school was out. And I'm not going to make you memorize them all because it just doesn't make sense right now. So I'm going to copy this image and then I'm going to paste it right here onto the box that says insert X-ray photo here. So paste, I'm going to resize it a little bit and put it right there. So there's my incomplete fracture, and then I'm going to go back to Google and I'm going to search what are the characteristics of an incomplete fracture. All right, and I want a description now. So an incomplete fracture, your bone doesn't break completely. In other words, it cracks without breaking all the way through. So this could be described as a crack in the bone that has not gone all the way through. In some parts, the bone is still connected. Fix my spelling errors. All right, so that's all. And then here, I'm going to Google what are common causes So a minor fracture is also known as an incomplete fracture. When this happens, your bone does not completely break. Oftentimes, it's only a hairline crack. So common causes of fractures include falling, your body being struck by something, and sport injuries. So I'm going to say falling, sport injuries, and being hit by something. All right. So that's all I would need to do for this slide, and then you can move on to the next slide. You'll get 1 point for the picture, 1 point for the characteristics, and 1 point for the common causes of injury for each slide, and then complete the whole thing. If you need help remembering what the instructions are, I've put them in each of the slide notes at the bottom here, so you can view those. And then at the very end, there's instructions on how to turn it in, and a link to a tutorial if you forgot how to turn an assignment in Google Classroom. All right, good luck, and please email me with any questions that you might have.